Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Roy in Hawaii on this President Lincoln II Plus. Roy, it was finally your turn to burn. We got to you, got you done. Full Truckerized treatment. Turn all the way down. 25 watt slug. I guess set at 2 watts all the way down per your request. And show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. About 11 or 12 bird swing if you really get in it. I know you want it around 10. Peak power. Hello, 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 hello. Throw the RP power all the way up. You want an 8 watt carrier? There's an 8 watt carrier. Hello, 25 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, 60 PEP. Go over to sideband. Hello, 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 hello. About 58 on sideband. All right, Roy, my friend, it's ready to come to you, bud. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck, truckcbsales.com. Aloha and bomb bomb.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.